Alright, so we have a third elimination video, and you can see right now this one is about special cases. So already it's going to be a little bit different, but let's just talk through each example so you can see what's going to happen. So it's elimination, so we want to eliminate the x's or the y's, and I noticed right here the x's are already set up to eliminate. I have a negative x and a positive x. Those will cancel out. So I'm going to go ahead and say, well, let's add these equations together. So negative x plus x is 0, so that cancels. And then what also happens is you have a y and a negative y. Well, that's going to cancel also. So if both variables cancel away and you have nothing left on the left side of your equal sign, we're going to put in a 0. Because really, negative x plus x is 0, y plus a negative y is 0, so 0 is the value over there. Then we're going to add 3 plus a negative 2 and get 1. So we do not have any variables to solve for, so we're not going to get an ordered pair like we have on the last 4 examples we looked at. If you do not have a variable to solve for, this means that either your lines are parallel or maybe they're the same line. So which one is it? You got to look at your leftover numbers and figure out, is this true or is this false? Does 0 equal 1? And because 0 does not equal 1, it's not true, we're going to say this is a no solution. The lines are parallel. We don't need to say they're parallel, but in our heads that these are parallel lines, which is why they're not crossing, and we have a no solution for our answer. Okay, so this next example, again, I noticed that the x's are all set to eliminate, so we don't have to bring in multiplication. We can go ahead and add our equations together. Negative x plus x is 0, and then again, here are the y's, y plus a negative y is 0. So everything cancels, go ahead and put a 0. Well, then we have 3 plus negative 3. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So we have no variables to solve for, so it's not an ordered pair. So it's either going to be, like I said in the last one, the lines are either going to be parallel or maybe they will be the same line. So how do you know which one? You got to look and see if this is a true statement or a false statement. Does 0 equal 0? And because it does, that's true, solutions exist, so it can't be the no solution. So it's going to be our infinite solutions, which is the lines happen to be the same line. We also can write all real numbers, because every real number will be a solution. So the special cases are kind of nice because if you notice, they're much faster. You know, we got things eliminated right away, and then we just have to know how to evaluate the numbers we have left over. Is it a no solution, or is it one of these infinite or all real number solutions?